Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to play Zombie on bass. Let's start by learning the iconic main riff. This part is crucial for capturing the song's feel, so pay close attention to your finger placement and timing. We'll break it down note by note, ensuring you can play it smoothly and accurately. Practice slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed. You'll be grooving in no time. Next, we'll explore the bass lines for the verse and chorus sections. While similar to the main riff, there are subtle variations that add depth to the song. Focus on the rhythmic feel and how the bass supports the vocals. The chorus has a powerful, driving feel, so ensure your notes are clear and strong. Remember to transition smoothly between these parts for a cohesive sound. Now, let's tackle the bridge and outro. The bridge introduces a slightly different feel, often with more sustained notes, building tension before returning to the chorus. For the outro, focus on the gradual fade and maintaining a consistent tone. Experiment with using a pick versus your fingers to achieve different textures, finding what best suits your playing style and the song's mood. Finally, here are some essential practice tips and advice on achieving the right tone. Always use a metronome to develop solid timing, which is vital for any bass player. Experiment with your amplifier settings to get that signature zombie bass sound, perhaps boosting the low mids. Listening to the original track frequently will help you internalize the nuances and play with confidence. Keep practicing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.